Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upload videos longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. So at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue. Wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself, okay? So once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar and type for YouTube. The moment you have typed that, click on enter to proceed and wait until you are being redirected to the YouTube website. Okay, it has this first result. Go with it so that you'd be able to continue. So you would be redirected to this youtube.com website. You just have to wait until everything's already here, okay, so that we can proceed. Okay. So you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen icon. Please click on it. Here under this window, you need to scroll down and look for an option called YouTube Studio. Tap on it. Okay, and wait until you are being redirected to the YouTube Creator Studio. Once you are here at the studio, you need to proceed at the left side of it and look for settings which has this gear icon. Please tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings of the studio. Okay, so a new window would open like this, which contains the settings of the studio. You just have to wait until it will be ready. Once done, proceed with channel, click on it. And here it has these three options where you need to proceed with feature eligibility. Now it has this three features, which is the second of that, which is intermediate features with what we're looking for. Videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Now click this down arrow and you will be able to see our requirements where you need to be a standard features enabled, where it is being checked, and you need to verify phone number. So click on verify phone number and you would be redirected to the verification of your phone number. Okay, so you need to select text me the verification code and you need to select your country, which in my case Philippines, and you need to type your phone number. So fill it out and once you have filled it out, please click on next. Okay. So just have to click on next and it will be enabled. Okay? I mean, the moment you have to click on next, an OTP would be sent in your phone number. You just have to type that and click on next, and there you have that. You would be able to enable the 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes video upload here in your Windows or computer. Okay? So simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.